So we are finally over with the course all about startups and pitching to investors. The goal of this course was to give you an understanding of the early fundraising process and the tools to be successful. Remember, be realistic. Not all companies are venture backable. And even with all these tools, you still need a great team and product to support you. One piece of advice I can give you from my personal experience is to be extremely efficient with a fundraising, so not all of your time is dedicated to it. Spend more time on building your product and finding users, and your pitch will be more defensible. So what should we do now besides plan your fundraising strategy? Identify your weaknesses and really focus on them. This will help you communicate your company vision in the long run. Have you always struggled with public speaking, or are you unorganized with the networking and fall flat when it comes to connecting? Challenge yourself to focus on your weaknesses, find resources. And yes, of course, practice, practice, practice. Thank you watching Skill Mokondo channel.